Today for Mousetrap Monday, I have another 3D printed mousetrap to show you that was invented by a YouTube viewer named Keith. Keith designed this live catch mousetrap using free software called Fusion 360. It's a really simple idea. It's a one-way door. It's mounted to a container. You put bait inside. The mouse will want to get the bait, push on the door, go inside, and with gravity, the door closes and you got them. So in theory, you can catch multiple mice. This door fits really snug, so they can't open it from the inside. I think the only way to escape is if another mouse opens it and lets them out. Now Keith mounted the 3D printed door to a bread saver container. It has lots of holes and plenty of room for multiple mice. Let's go test this out with their pet mice, see if they go in there and get caught. Then we'll set it up in the chicken coop with motion cameras and see if we can get wild mice. I'm going to place a bunch of my pet mice in here and see if any of them go in the trap. I was able to get one mouse with this trap, but in general, they seem confused on how to get in. Let's go set this up in the chicken coop and see if we can get wild mice with it. This 3D printed live catch mousetrap that Keith made worked well. I set it up in the chicken coop with a lot of bait, and in just 1 hour we caught 2 mice. They lifted up that one-way door, went inside, and got caught. Now for the last hour they've been chewing at this hole. It's bigger than the others. They can even stick their head through. If I waited a little longer, they'd keep chewing and get out. So when making holes for ventilation, you have to be careful they're not too big. Look at him go, he's like a termite on wood. Before they get out, I'm going to move them to a cage with other wild mice I caught. They'll help me test out live catch traps for future Mousetrap Monday videos. Look at his head's through. If you have a 3D printer and want to make this trap, I'll put the link to the plans down below. Keith said he'd make them available. That's very generous. It's a good trap. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, please consider hitting the button right there. I'm posting between 4 and 5 rodent trap videos a week, so if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.